Today, we explore personal responsibility in teamwork. We'll define responsibility, task ownership, and strategies for task completion. These skills are crucial for effective collaboration. Let's dive into how they empower us in team settings. In our responsibility relay, each team member receives a token symbolizing their task. As we build a structure, everyone must complete their step before passing the token. This activity highlights the impact of unfulfilled responsibilities, fostering a deeper understanding of personal accountability and teamwork. Let's explore two project approaches: diffused responsibility, where tasks are vague and often neglected, versus clear ownership, where each member knows their role. Clear ownership enhances accountability and efficiency, ensuring tasks are completed effectively. This approach empowers team members, fostering a sense of responsibility and pride in their contributions. Let's dive into responsibility mapping. We'll analyze scenarios to determine appropriate responsibility levels. Consider leading a class presentation, appropriate within student capabilities. Fixing school plumbing? Not so much, as it requires specialist skills. We'll create an ownership spectrum from not my job to over-responsible to better understand task ownership. In the responsibility challenge, teams tackle tasks with defined roles, reflection checkpoints, and adaptation phases. This activity highlights success factors like clear instructions, adequate resources, and realistic timelines. By identifying these elements, students learn how to effectively take responsibility and adapt their strategies for improved task ownership. Let's solidify our understanding by creating a personal responsibility plan. Develop a task acceptance checklist. Do I understand expectations? Do I have resources? Can I influence outcomes? Implement completion strategies. Break down tasks, set mini deadlines, and identify help sources. Use classroom systems like visual task boards and peer accountability partners for effective task management. Let's identify a task you'll take full responsibility for this week. Consider how you'll ensure success. Use the responsibility spotlight to recognize exemplary ownership. This practice solidifies personal accountability, empowering you to manage tasks effectively and contribute meaningfully to your team. Explore RACI matrices to understand roles in organizations and study historical accountability moments for deeper insights. Remember, the way to develop self-confidence is to do the thing you fear. Embrace challenges to grow in responsibility and teamwork.